Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about PTC India Limited. The speciality of this share is that the share is giving good dividend yield above 11% and the FIIs are having majority of shareholding in this company. The promoters are having 16% shareholding, but the FIIs are having more than that. And another speciality is that the company is promoted by four major power companies which is work in government sector. So this company is very attractive and the current price is 46.85, which is near to its 5-year low of 32.40. So definitely the company valuation wise and the dividend wise and the promoter wise, and by seeing the investment done by FIAs, it is very attractive, and the value and the price at which it is available right now is very good for as an investment opportunity. At from this level at 46.85, you can start accumulate this stock. Below 5, any investment in this company below 50 will be a very good investment. And going forward, if the price is there, if there is any price correction in this company, then you can accumulate more. Right now you can do investment. Do not go for lump sum investment. You can use staggered investment. You can do some portion of your investment right now, and then if there is any correction in this company, then again you can do some portion. And PE ratio wise and PB ratio wise, the current investment is very good, and PE ratio, current PE ratio of this company is at 3.77, and the sector PE is 12.49, and the dividend yield is right now 11.74, which is very good. And the forecast, if you see the forecast, saying that 100% of the analysts are recommending to invest in this stock. Another important factor is that this company is a small cap company. Due to recent circular by SEBI, the multi-cap mutual funds are forced to increase their allocation in small cap sector, which will be a good opportunity for the investors who have already invested in PTC India Limited, because mutual fund will be increasing their allocation in small cap sector, and they will be definitely going for good share and good fundamentally strong shares. And PTC India is a very attractive value for those mutual funds, so they will be increasing their allocation in this company, and the share price will go up. So that time the retail investor will not get opportunity to accumulate when the price go above 70-80 level. Before that you can start accumulating in this stock, because at this price the stock is very attractive. This company has given dividend consistently from 2004. This data shows how the company has given, and the company has increased consistently from 2004 the dividend it has distributed, and in recently in 2020 also they have given good dividend. Based on the share price, the dividend yield is coming nearly 11.74. PTC India Limited is dealing with the trading of electricity. This was incorporated in 1999 to undertake trading of power to achieve economic efficiency and security of supply to develop a vibrant power market in the country. It has threefold mandate. If we check the shareholders of this company, we can see that the major shareholders are NTPC Limited, Power Grid Corporation of India, Power Finance Corporation, NHPC, Damodar Valley Corporation, Life Insurance Corporation, and public shareholders. The promoters of this company are Power Grid, NTPC, PFC, and NHPC, and they have a total of 60% shareholding. And the equity structure, if you can see that FIAs are holding 35.32%, and promoters are holding 60.2%, and mutual funds are holding 9.18%, and insurance companies are holding 8.4%, and others are holding 29.46%, and banks are financial institutions are holding 1.44%. So from the promoter holding, we can see that these companies are strategically important companies, and these are mainly in working in the government sector. So government sector companies are the promoters of this company, and FIIs are holding 35.32%, which is very good, and the FIIs are having very good insight about Indian stock market, and where which are the companies will be performing well in coming years. So accordingly they will be investing, and by seeing the mutual fund holding and FII holding, we can clearly see that this company is a very strategically important company, and the strength of this company is the promoters, because promoters are main power companies, and they are government owned companies. The structure I have shown was of March 2020, and after that there will be some changes in the shareholding pattern. We will analyze that from March 2020 to June 2020. If we can see, the mutual funds and foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors are they have decreased their shareholdings. That's why the share price gone down, and other parties like retail investors increased their allocation. So based on this, still the FIIs are holding their major stake, and there is no changes in the promoter holding. So from the FII holding point of view, if we can see that if FIIs are selling from this company, the share price will come down, which will be a good opportunity for retail investors to own this company. Market cap wise, this company is a small cap company, and the book value of this company is coming at 141.46, and currently the price is very cheap compared to this book value, and the ROC of this company is 10.64 and ROE is 9.99, which is very low, and it's moderate. We can say that it's a compared moderate, and sales growth for 3 years is 5.74%. So mainly this company is a dividend company, and you'll be getting good dividend yield in this company, and there is not much growth visible in this company, but going forward this company is strategically very important for overall India's energy sector and the electricity sector. That's why there is kind of a monopoly in this company, but there are other players also, but still company is holding very important place because of its promoters. Overall, we can say that at this price of 46.85, this company is a very good investment opportunity, and going forward in coming days, when due to SEBI circular, if the mutual funds, multi-cap mutual funds start increasing their allocation in small cap sector, they will be definitely coming to buy these shares, and the share price will go up. Also, the current dividend yield is also very good and very attractive. Going forward, when the economic and the market bounce back, definitely this share will go above 100, because if you see that 5-year high was touched near to 130. So considering all this fact, at this price, this company is a very good investment opportunity. Company is strategically important for the energy sector and the power trading sector. So definitely there will be a good growth visibility and a good future for this company. You can accumulate this stock at this price, and going forward, if there is any current correction in the market, you can accumulate more. And do not buy this share above 50 in coming days, because there will be more fluctuation in coming days. If the market correction happen, then you will be getting good opportunities below 50. Below 50 you can accumulate, above 50 you hold the share. And if by chance if you are getting any opportunity to sell this share above 80, then you can definitely in short term you can sell, and then coming below 50 you can buy. And if you are a long term investor and you do not want to sell at 80, then you can hold this company. Definitely there will be a good future, and in between you will be getting good cash flow through dividends. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, and if you find that some value in our stock analysis, please subscribe to our channel and like the videos and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.